In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's cover how this works on desktop. While you're watching a lecture, open the Notes tab in the player. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press B or N to pop the note entry field into focus without breaking your flow. Type your note. Udemy allows up to 1,000 characters per note, so be concise but specific. And then hit enter to save it. Each note you create is automatically linked to the exact spot in the video where you wrote it, so you can return to that moment later. A quick tip: lead with a short action or keyword at the start of the note, like code fix or key concept, so your notes are easier to scan when you come back. On mobile, the process is just as simple, with slightly different labels depending on your device. Tap More, then select Notes. On Android, tap the plus icon to add a new note at the current timestamp. On iOS, tap Create New to do the same. The note you add will be tied to that exact position in the lecture, which makes it easy to jump back to the moment you wanted to capture. If you're using your phone while following along with the demo, keep your entries short and focused so you can resume watching quickly. Accessing and managing your notes is straightforward. Open the Notes tab in the course player and you'll see all the notes you've taken for that course. Use the available filters to narrow the list. Filter by lecture, date, or search terms to find exactly what you need. Click any note in the list and the video will jump directly to the timestamp associated with that note, letting you revisit the explanation or demo immediately. A couple of practical tips before you go. Use consistent keywords or a short tagging convention within the note text to make filtering and searching faster later. Remember the 1,000 character limit. If you need more detail, save a short timestamp note and keep a longer version in an external document, but avoid duplicating effort. That's it. Quick, tied to the video notes you can create on desktop or mobile and jump back to whenever you need to refresh your memory.